Hello guys, this is Gabby Tech and today we are gonna make one more majestic review of this product. Wait, what? Be sure to like and subscribe first, just don't forget, but now I just remember that I don't have a product there because the product is here, thrown apart on pieces. Okay, this is my Sony A6000 camera, the camera that I actually intended to do these videos in my YouTube channel with, until one majestic day I just managed to kick the tripod with the camera on it, and then something happened. It stopped working. Okay, and then I was like, wait, what? I was supposed to film today, but instead of that, guess what? I just opened like 10 YouTube videos how to fix my Sony A6000 camera. You know, the problem is not in the camera body, it's in the lens. And then with my pack set of amazing instruments that you can see on another video, I managed to throw it piece by piece, like a delicate surgery, to find out the problem. The first 5 hours I was frustrated and crying in frustration on my desk, wondering what to do. Then I managed to remove slowly piece by piece without damaging anything. And then, you know, the easy part is actually to deconstruct. Then the better part is to construct it back. And as you can see, I still didn't do it. Guess what? Because I can't. We went to this part here that has a mechanism that has like 90 combinations how to click in, and you need around like 90 hours to find it out by just spinning two parts like this. And at some point you just want to throw it somewhere out of the balcony, but then you say, oh no, this camera lens costs like $500 and I don't want to do that because it's like throwing $500 out of the window. So guys, trust me, it's not the body, the expensive part is this. This is like a human eye technology. So guys, basically the problem was in the zoom section here. I just want to mention you that the lens is like a human eye. It's exactly the same mechanism, and unless you're a medical student or a doctor, you don't know how complex human eye is. You have no idea. And this is the same complexity. And I was thinking, okay, could it be the motor or something else? I look at part by part, and then suddenly I found out that all of the problem is in this very basic but so much important plastic ring that stays here into the zooming mechanism. And one small piece, like small, I mean extremely small, I don't know if I can even zoom in it into the camera so you can see, but it's here. I don't know if you can notice. It's very hard to notice. It took me 1 hour to see it. Basically, this small little piece broke, and it went somewhere here into the zooming mechanism, stopping all of this thing work properly. Then I went into different sites to look for this particular piece and I couldn't find it. Of course, where do you think I found it? In Amazon and AliExpress. But the difference was that in Amazon was 20 euro, in AliExpress it was 40 cents. So I ordered 2 parts. So, you know, if I manage to break one of them, just to have the second one, and I will fix this lens, hopefully, like we're praying for the best results. And you guys, if you subscribe to my channel, you may visualize this process, how I fix the lens. And you may help me because, I know you notice that sometimes I drop stuff on the table. This is out of frustration because sometimes it's so delicate work, like all of the components that I work with, that I just want to throw them out of frustration. And then I remember how expensive they are and how many people on the internet want to choke me just because I throw something on the table. Don't worry, I haven't broken anything yet, except this camera lens, but I just kicked it. It was like, I don't know, it just happened. I really need that camera to work so I can give you better angles, guys, to my reviews and my work and my product. I know a lot of you asked me already when I will have camera up my product so you can see each one of the angles. Hopefully, when I receive that part, you will be sure that I will tell you in the moment I receive it, and in front of you I will try to put it and fix all of this back together. because this camera, you know, is very good quality camera. It's mirrorless, which is, they say it's better in some functions than the normal DSLR cameras. It's pretty good. The only flaw of this camera, I will mention now, but afterwards I will do review if I manage to fix it, is that it doesn't have the microphone jack, which sync your microphone to your camera, and you need to do audio syncing. That's maybe the only flaw of this camera. Anyway, we're not here to speak about flaws. We are just saying the sad story. So, what do you think, guys? Did I manage to deconstruct it well? And do you think I will be able to fix it? I would love if some of you know something about photography and lenses and give me some advice. Is it worth it to give all of these efforts just to one broken piece? Because I think it is like $500 lens. God, I don't know. Now I'm looking at photographers with another eye. They're guys spending a lot of money for this stuff. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this sad story. And be sure to click the subscribe button and the ring bell button. Ding ding. So you can hear more sad stories and maybe one happy story one day. Who knows? Thank you very much.